What if I told you becoming a billionaire has almost nothing to do with saving money? If you try to become a billionaire by working for a salary, you're playing the wrong game. Think about it. You only have 24 hours in a day. You can sell your time, but your time is limited. Billionaires play a different game. They own things that can grow. Companies, technology, platforms, investments. Something that can reach millions of people without requiring millions of hours from them. But that's only the beginning. You need to solve a massive problem. If you solve a problem for 10 people, you might make some money. Solve it for 10,000. You can build a business. Solve it for millions. Now you're playing a completely different game. The biggest fortunes come from creating something people actually want and making it available to millions. Then comes the secret most people ignore. Leverage, technology, people, capital, and media. Leverage allows one person to create an impact far bigger than their own time. Think about the internet. You can create something once and potentially reach millions of people. But there's one more thing. You have to think in decades, not days. If you're searching for a quick way to become a billionaire, you're probably looking for a shortcut, not a business. Real wealth takes years. You learn, you fail, you build, you improve, you reinvest, and you keep going. So don't start by asking, how do I make $1 billion? Start smaller. Learn a valuable skill. Learn how businesses work. Learn sales. Learn technology. Build something. Make your first $1. Then your first 1,000. Then your first 10,000. Because you don't become a billionaire by obsessing over $1 billion. You become capable of building something valuable. And here's the real question. If someone gave you $1 million today, would you know how to turn it into something bigger? Because if the answer is no, the money isn't your biggest problem. Your ability is.